Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Harshita Jain and I have been taking your digital marketing sessions from last few weeks, and so today we have Google Analytics, and I hope the past sessions were clear to you, and if you find any issue, please mention them in the comment section and we will try our best to solve all your issues. And yes, let's get started with today's topic. So today we have Google Analytics. So Google Analytics and why it is used. So the more what is Google Analytics? So basically, Google Analytics is a tool which has been given by Google itself to help you to analyze what how many users, to understand what is happening on your website and how many users are coming, what is the conversion rate, and everything related to your website is, you can analyze it through Google Analytics. Google Analytics helps you with that. And you can connect any type of website, be it Wix website, be it a WordPress website, be it your normal coding website. You can Google Analytics is very good with all the websites. So it is a there like many other services which is offered by Google Analytics is majorly for websites only. You can track and report your website traffic. So exact word that we can use is website traffic. Uh, it is like one of the tool inside Google marketing platform, other Google marketing platforms like Google Ads, Google Ads, and Google Business. This is one of them. So Google Analytics is widely used for web analytics services on the website. Google Analytics, provide you and help you, allow you to gathering usage data from iOS and Android apps, known as Google Analytics for mobile apps. So we have Google, Analytics on our iOS and on our Google Android app. So. Uh, uh, on Google Analytics, has undergone many updates since its inceptions. So let me tell you how we can, in this session we won't go into too much of details because we all know like how Google works. So I have told you, given you an introduction why Google Analytics is important, to track your traffic on websites and report whether your website is working properly, to compare your website traffic from last month or last week, and keep an analytics, keep and report whether your website is working properly, how much conversion is coming on your website, how many people are coming, for how long they are staying on your website, how what is the speed of your website, how many what is the time per user is spending on your website. So these all are the very important functions of Google Analytics. um, let's get started, and also one more thing, Google Analytics is also important for your, it is a basic analytic tool for your SEO purpose also. uh, it also helps you whether your SEO on your website, on page SEO. If you don't have any doubt on page FU, you can check out our SEO session. It also helps us into, on page SEO. So uh, you might be thinking why I'm not going to the presentation. We will, for today's session, I have prepared a proper document and we will be going through that. So before that, I will give you a, basic knowledge how it works before going to the documents, with the talks. So Google Analytics, let me stop sharing it for a while. So Google Analytics acquire users data for each website visits through the use of page tags. A JavaScript tag is inserted into the code of each page, and we will also see that how a JavaScript or a script, how we will add that to our website as well. We When we create a WordPress website, we or a Wix website, there is a code given which we add to our website, and that's how we connect our website to our analytics. So this tag runs into web browser for each visitor, collecting data and sending it to one of the Google data collection server. Google Analytics then generate customized reports, and after and report it generate that reports. It tracks and visualize data such as number of users, bounce rate, average session durations, session by channel, page views, goal completion, and much more. Then the page tag function as a web bug or web beacon, that also what we call the gather visitor information, because it relies on cookies. Cookies, I hope you know cookies. Whenever we open a website, sometime many a times there is a dialog box that asks us accept about the acceptance of cookies. So the system cannot collect data for users who can disable them. So so those cookies helps us to why do we get to ask for that permission, because that cookies helps us to get the information of the user who are coming on our website. So Google Analytics also includes the features that can help users identify trends and patterns in however like visitor engage with their website. So some of the feature that data visualization, monitor tools, including dashboard, scoreboard, that all we will I have put some shots on in the document, in the docs that we will study from further. So it also helps us data filtering, what type of customer is coming on our website, are we targeting correct customer, manipulation and funnel analysis as well. Data collection and application program interface is also a big part of analytics. So it also helps in integration with other products, including Google Ads, Google Data Studio, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Google Optimize 360, Google Search Ads 360, Google Search Console, and much more. So, some of the important before we get into the Google Analytics practical part, there are some few important metrics, important terms that are very necessary for us to understand. So, some first is user. Who is a user? A user is a unique or a new visitor to the website. Bounce rate, what is bounce rate? The percentage of visitors who viewed only a single page, then they triggered a single request, like these visitors only triggered a single request to the Google Analytics service. So they visit only one page and then they close the website. So what is sessions? A group of visitor interaction that happens in a 30-minute window of activities. So in easy words, if uh, a visitor is coming to our website and they are spending around 30 minutes, so that's what we call sessions. Average session duration is how long a average visitor stays on our website, be it 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So that is the average session duration. So percentage of new session, the percentage of website visit that are first time visits. So how many people are coming on our website for the first time, that is the percentage of new session. So pages per session, the average number of page view per each session. So goal completion, the number of times visitor completed a specified and desirable action, is known as conversion. Goal completion, this is also called as conversion. So in easy words, we can say that when a visitor is coming to our website, they are satisfied. So that's is what we call completion or conversion. page views. So how many total number of pages are being viewed by a user is called page view. So these were some of the important terms that before we go into a practical session, we should understand these terms and we should know what are these. So let me share the screen and then we will. So I hope screen has been, if you all are able to see the screen. So let me go to the documents and here we have Google Analytics. So to visit Google Analytics, this is the link that has been provided. So this is the Google link. The link is analytics.googles.com. So these are the steps. I have already signed in, so sometimes these steps doesn't show on my page. So I have, put it a complete visualize images over here, so it is easy for you and you can easily get what are we doing, because these things doesn't work in just theory purpose. If I am just saying, and you won't be able to understand what I am saying if you don't see what I am doing. So this is why digital marketing is a practical session. I will suggest you, whatever I do in the session, just pause that, hand to hand, do each and every step. Don't wait for the video to complete, just do it hand to hand. Pause, see the first step, pause it and do that step yourself. Then only you will be able to learn the basics of digital marketing. And to work as a digital marketer for full time and being a digital marketer, it is very important for you roots to be strong, for your basics to be strong, because digital marketing is all about experiments. It's all about creativity, and to show that creativity, it's also about logic. It's not just you're doing random things, so it is also about logic. So to do that logical plus creativity thing, it is important for you to understand that basics. Because so that's why, just whatever I'm doing, pause the video, go and do it with the video. So go to the Google Analytics. So as I've said that I have already been so before discussing this page or everything, let me show you how we will reach that page. So go to this link, which is analytics.google.com. You will directly type, you can type Google Analytics on your search engine and you will reach this page easily. So after that, it will say start analyzing your site's traffic in 3 minutes. Sign up for the Google Analytics, then add tracking code, learn about your audience, and just click to sign up. After sign up, new accounts page will come. What would you like to track? You can also track a website and a mobile app. We will go with website. So track your website, then fill in the details like account name, website name, and your website URL for which you want the tracking. Write the same website name and the URL for you require the analytics. So type your industry instance. If you are working as a in a manufacturing industry, or in a shoe industry, or in cosmetic industry, beauty industry, fashion industry, write that and write your timing. So we can have a maximum 100 accounts from one email account. So yeah, that's an important part, because generally what people do is they can, for one account, they don't understand that they can use multiple accounts for one email account. So they end up adding different website. That many people have more than one website, they have two three website for different work, and they end up creating multiple websites for multiple email IDs for multiple websites. So it should not do that. Create one email account and put all your websites over there only. So it would be easy for you to track. Don't have to remember that इस website के लिए I have this ID and कौन सी website के लिए which ID and all that. Uh, all you have to do is click on get tracking ID over here, and this page will come when you will be working on. So the process is similar for Wix and WordPress. Today I will be showing you for the WordPress websites. Click over there, get your website tracking ID, copy this, and then Google Analytics by Yoast. Yoast is one of my favorite plugin. I use it a lot for SEO purpose as well and for this also. So just go over here, and how to reach over here I'll tell you. When you will open your WordPress website, over there you will get few plugins. Go to plugins and search for Google Analytics by Yoast, and you will, and this will show you as result, search result. And then installing, just active the plugin. When you will install that plugin, the option will show you to return to plugin and active plugin. You have to click active plugin. If you won't click on active plugin, your plugin won't work. It will just be there in your website, but it won't work. So it is important for you to activate that plugin. Um, so over here on the black side, on the left side of your dashboard of your WordPress backend WordPress website, you will get various options over here like this, and you have to go to analytics on the top, not on the top, of course. So put the settings, paste that tracking ID that you have copied, that script on that, on this page. I'll show you where it will come. So yeah, over here we don't have, I did it. So in general it will ask you to paste that ID. So go to setting, then on authenticate with your Google account and select your profile and save changes. If your website is not built on WordPress, then you will have to enter the tracking code inside the header of the website. So on WordPress also you can do that. If you don't want to add Google used, and you don't have to do all this stuff. Just go to your page on which you want to add the analytics. Go to that page, add header, paste that script over header. You can add Google Analytics to that specific pages. You don't have to add that analytics to whole of your account. If you follow these steps, you can add the whole website to your Google Analytics. And if you want to add specific pages, just go to that page, paste that script on header, and you will get that pages on analytics, and that's how you do it. So now go into the reporting section of Google Analytics. I'll show you. So now let me, first before doing that, let me tell you the interface. So user, revenue, how much revenue, because my this website is my e-commerce website. So how much revenue does this website is earning? So this will show conversion rate, these all things like sessions. There are 230 sessions, more than people 230 people are spending more than 30 minutes on the website, and there are 200 users, the people who are coming to my website. So current last 5 minutes there was no one on my website. This is the analytics audience overview, where you can get detailed overview what audience is doing on your website. uh, so this is just the more detailed form what audience is doing, all the users are doing on your website. So yes, so this is the dashboard. This is how do you acquire users from which is the medium of your user. So you know, there is how much of organic audience is this, then direct from the duck duck go organic or Bing. This is also organic. These are the those what we call search engine, being so most of the traffic is being coming from Google only. Some of is coming from DuckDuckGo, some is coming from Bings, and this is the acquisition report. And how are your active users trending over time, how they are using your website over time. So these all just go down and down, and you will get related what all you need for your website. All the analytics you need for your website is being shown over here. So yes, so these are a few more marketing platforms which you can connect with your Google. This is the feedback session, so you can change over your account from here at any other account you wish to. And yes, all website data. So this is a website that I have connected. This is all the all the data that for which the website is being showing you. So we don't need this. Sorry, we are not studying this. So yeah. So this is some old image. If you are using a old version, then this is how it used to come. Now how will it come? Is I'll show you live on the web. So data range is you can select the data range from the top right corner to see the data of a specific period of time. So if you, I'll show you. Let's refresh our insights. This is just some extra tools. Customization. You can add custom reports. Go to custom reports and just see audience. To create these custom, what you can do is with this custom records is if you connect Data Studio, you can create your reports very easily. Like for your audience, you can create a separate record. For how much a conversion, you can create a separate report for better analytics. So this is why this is saved reports. I didn't save any report past report, so this would be empty. These are few so over here you can just, if you go to location, just see over here, it is showing. Sorry, where is the mouse? Let me see. So in it will show like the data for last, there was no 30 minutes active user. Let me, so you can search a country over here. Let's see, India. There was no user for India, so you can add a specific country over here. It will help you to show you the country from where the users are coming from. So this is the traffic source from where the traffic is coming, which search engine traffic is. This is content pieces, and you don't need these. And then this we will understand with the time, like in, so, yeah. From here we are done with this. say when you the store this is some of my experience. What I do is generally when I visit, like say I want to site on March 1 and I'm there, I visit the home page and about page and your contact page. If I'm the only one on your site, there's only, like, your analytics profile is going to read session 1, user 1, page view 1, 3. Okay, so I'm one user. I have created one session and I have viewed 3 pages. This is what this means. Let me show you. So over here we are seeing these, like if you click on audience overview, we will get all the options. So there were 200 users, and click over here, just custom your time for how long you want to. So, for this, we don't have to do this anymore. All we have to do is this. Just select your time. I want to see for this date. No, let's say from 7 to 30. No, from 8 to 22nd. Uh, Apply. So this are the number of users. This is the revenue. This is the conversion rate, and this is the session that I have got from 8 July to 22nd July. So yeah. So now let's pretend I come back to your site on March 2 again. I visit your homepage, your about page, contact page, and then what it will show is session 2, user 1, page view 6. So per user, how many sessions are there and what are the page views is 6. So a session resets by default after 30 minutes of inactivity and at the end of calendar day. Because I come back to your site twice a different day, it's going to register as 2 sessions. However, as long as I haven't cleared my browser cookies and come back from the same device, it will still see me as one user. So if, however, I looked at your site on my desktop and then from my mobile, and Google Analytics will likely to show 2 users since it doesn't do well tracking across devices. So finally, page views just counts the number of website pages and actually loaded. So every time someone loads on a page on your site, it will show as a page view. So under audience, you will get these all options that we have seen just now. So with demographic and interest report. So here we have demographics. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled. This message comes when you go for the first time on that page. So this is an overview. Let's see over here. Audience, demographics, and overview. So all the users, this is 40% users. How many? 50% were females, 50% were males, and we don't have much. Let's change the metrics. So these are the new sessions metrics. So there were 49% females recently and 51% males. So just choose according to your wish, and let's say bounce rate. Okay, 42.1% women are bouncing from our website and 57.9% bounces from our website. So more male are bouncing. So this is interest. So where should we get interest? Here we have interest. Um, we'll go to overview only. So these are the users who are interested in our website over here. Similarly, you can analyze different. I won't go in details, we don't have that much of time. So just understand what does this page is showing. So yeah, in market, which these are the people who have been converted. So now similarly we have language and location. So, suppose if I am logged in any Google products, then our search becomes secured search and our data is not shared with the website owners. In this case, my location would not be set. So, yes, behavior, we have behavior, new versus returning. This tells us how many visitors are new to our website and how many are returning. Frequency and recency, count of the session for your frequency data and days. Since last session is your recent data, so yeah, so frequency is how frequently the users are visiting our website. So yeah, over here we all have that option. So you will get that. Interest, geography, language and location. There we have behavior, new versus returning, frequency, and then we will come with engagement. Okay, so frequency keeps track on how many people the user have been to your website. On the first visit, it is a one, and on your second visit, it is a two. So so on. In the example, like this means that 11,539 users are there on the first session. Let's say I don't have. On the website, and if you check the new versus returning report, you will see the number matching the new versus returning. Let's go up. There is our new versus returning. Where, yeah, over here. So this is a session. You can see the new let me zoom in. So here is a we have for new visitor we have 14,231, and for returning visitor we have 2,279. So these amount of are the new visitor to our website, and these are the recent visitor to our website. So but this begs a clarification. It does not mean that 11,539 user had only one session on the website. It means that they have their first sessions. They may have visited 5 times during the period, and they would be represented to the chart of count of sessions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because their cookies would increment from each visit. There would be a huge amount of duplication in this report. So yeah, there are few duplication in this report. Then we have engagement. It is all about how engaging is your content, how much data is driven your website is, and how good is your content is. So these are the some reports. How does it shows? Let me show you. Uh, yeah, over here. So yeah, generally people have 230 sessions. There was 603 page views. So duration is most of the people visit for 10 seconds. So this is the session time. This is the page view time, and that's how it depends. Just have a look. So this all are the overviews, different overviews of our website. So let me show you another important part: how to configure AdWords link group. So here we are. Just select source medium where the country are. Yeah, use of flow. So it's all about looking into the trend which is being followed. On the website. You must be having traffic from Facebook, Google, SEO, or email marketing that we have seen the traffic period. So further, you might use referrals and banners media. You need to analyze the traffic by using, different traffic going on, which all pages are being visited and excited the most. So go ahead, you just let it be. So now go to admin on the top of the interconnected couple accounts, and now before we move further, once you are on the admin page, select the account that you will see something about product linking in the property section as shown below. So we have admin part. let this load a little. So I'll show you how. Just yeah. Now we get this. Go to the segment part and just add create account. You can create another account. So type account details, benchmarking, and mix. Let's see. My account name is. So for this we have to add. I don't have any account name currently, so just so property. Let me show you where the property is. Over here is the property links. So now just click to the advert linking. I'll just advert linking. Google Ads link. This is I have created my Google Ads link. So add link. I'll just show from over here because why not? So just select link AdWords account, link configuration on all the link accounts, and that's it generally takes less than 24 hours to get your account link from your website. In this is the old method. If you have an older interface, this is how it will work. From now onwards, it's very easy. Just you know continue same process it is. Just link your group title, select on over here, uh, link accounts, and it will take less than 24 hours to link your account, and it will be done. So yes, just a second. Yeah. So these are the few steps. I'll just show you another important part because we are running out of time. It is already 9:08 and we have started it around 8:30. So let me tell you another important part. What else you can link? So just this is how you can link different Google products. Or go to all products, and there will be all the products, all the marketing products that are being given by the Google. And in the similar way, you can just copy your link and just link every marketing Google marketing tool to your Google Analytics, and it will help you, just to connect your website to work properly and more efficient way. So it is important to link all your tools over here. So yes, now I will just tell you about SEO. uh, So go to queries, and if you have not linked your search console with your console with your Google Analytics, then you will see something like the image below, like this, and all the site content is all about the pages which people are coming on, and then what all pages people are existing from and how well they are performing. So site speed helps us for to that only. I was telling you Google Analytics, right? Just connect your search console and you will get your all the analytics part over there. So yes, that's how you can just fix your analytics, and everything is how does everything works is once you just we can't just complete it in one session. All you have to do is I'll try to arrange another session for Google Analytics. I'll talk, and we'll have another session for Google Analytics because it is first understand the basics of industry. So today we have completed the overview of the important terms that we have studied, the overviews of the um, interface of the dashboard, and how to connect our different Google tools with it. And for today, I think this is more than enough for you to get started, to for you to connect your website to Google Analytics and start working for your website. And I hope you all the best. And I uh, if you have any queries, or if you don't like something, or if you like something, please let us know in the comment section below. And just I will suggest you one thing, that if you are trying it, just see the video, pause it, and do it yourself, understand it yourself. Just once go to all the options, go to all the like conversion, we haven't discussed about conversion, like just have a look what it contains for you. Because if you are running a website, you might be knowing basic things about it. And yes, you can get started with it. Hope you are able to understand it. And that's all for today's session, and the next session we will be having on next Saturday, 7:30. Today we were late, so I hope you all the best, and thank you.